Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh Mall, the voice of Swimming Pool Science, and today we're doing our first ever toy review with our test subjects, Miles and AJ. Before we show them the toy, let's dive into the toy and find out some of the details.
But they let you use more water.
So the Super Soaker Scatter Blaster is made of pretty sturdy plastic, and out of a full tank of gas, or full tank of water in this case, you'll get about 30 full squirts.
Miles and AJ, out of the pool now. Out of the pool. Both of you out of the pool before I count to 3. Out of the pool. Let's go. But you're the only AJ in the pool. Out of the pool. Miles and AJ, today you have a mission. Your mission is to evaluate a certain item and decide if it's good or bad. Are you ready to find out what that item is?
Yes.
Today's item is the Nerf Super Soaker Scatter Blast Squirt Guns. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's do this. All right, AJ and Miles, give us your initial thoughts about these Nerf Super Soaker Scatter Blaster Squirt Guns. What do you guys think?
Well, they're pretty awesome. I mean, it's like a regular Nerf gun, but instead it actually squirts water instead of dirt.
All right, guys, before you tear into the pool, here's a fun fact. Did you know that the Super Soaker Squirt Gun was invented by African-American rocket scientist Lonnie Johnson, who works for NASA and builds spacecraft?
Why did spacecraft invent these?
Well, Lonnie Johnson was working on some spacecraft. He was actually working on a some sort of system for a spacecraft, and it squirted water across the room, and that gave him the inspiration for the Super Soaker.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? You guys ready to try the guns out?
Yeah.
All right, get in the pool and go.
Right? Real slow. Like you just like you're on a secret mission trying to be scientific.
How is it so far?
It's good. Stop, Willow!
How does it shoot?
Shoots like this. Shoot on me! Shoot on me! No. Shoot on me! And it has 5 little holes, so that means it shoots 5 sprinklers.
Let me get a close-up of the holes, Miles. Just. We got about a range of 20 feet on this thing. When you really shoot it far, it'll go to about 20 feet.
Oh, wow. What is this thing?
All right, Miles, what's happening right now?
I'm freezing, and we're having a battle.
Do you know where AJ is?
Yes.
You do? Where is he?
Behind the fountain.
Do you think you're well hidden?
No.
AJ, what do you think of the squirt gun so far?
Pretty awesome.
Do you know where Miles is?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to do battle? Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
These squirt guns work pretty well. They got about a 20-foot range in the hands of these little youngsters right here. So good amount of battling here. All right, AJ and Miles, you had a chance to play with your Super Soaker scatter blasters in the pool. You've had them a chance to battle each other in the yard. What do you guys think of these guns so far?
They're fun. They're really awesome. I mean, we just do this.
Okay, and do you think they could make anything better on these guns?
Yes.
Like what?
They can make like a little, like, you know those things that like they put on like guns. They're like little things. That,
Like a bayonet?
Yeah, like.
Oh yeah.
They,
A nice long sharp bayonet on that thing would be awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. What about you, Miles? What do you love about this gun?
I like that it's not like a small one, and that it takes a long time for it to run out of water. If you like this gun, click the link in the descriptions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.